We got a long dry earwax plug coming up in this particular patient's ear canal today, guys. My name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. So we can see this really thin, long, dry plug of wax in this patient's ear canal. Thanks to everybody who joined in on the lives yesterday across all the different platforms. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. And obviously, if that's something you'd like us to do a little bit more often, let us know in the comments section. We can certainly arrange that for you. But back to this removal today. So we can see as soon as we got a grip on it here with a standard size ulnar tube, the whole plug comes up. But watch as we get to this point. As I pulled, you see a little bit of backwards motion then? And that was because this was one continuous plug. Now, as I pulled it out, that backwards motion was this back end you can see coming around the bend, but just gripping. So it kind of pulled and then dropped back and sheared off that front section. So this was one long continuous plug. Let's take a little look beyond that now. There we go. This is starting, just tidying up, taking a few little sort of crumbly, looser bits of wax off the entrance to the canal. Nothing here that's going to cause any issues as far as the patient's hearing is concerned, but this is more just cosmetic, just tidying a few little bits and bobs up. There we go, and let's take a look. Eardrum looking lovely and healthy. So let's see how big this plug would have been. So if we squish those two back together as they would have been, you're probably looking at just over 1.75 centimeters there. So a long old plug. What's that in inches? Oh, probably around about just under 3/4 of an inch mark. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching our video again today. Don't forget, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for me. And if you guys have ear problems yourself, make sure you check out the link tree in the description and book yourself an appointment with myself or the lovely Miss Taylor Green. If you like the long plug we just took out, there is going to be another video if you're watching this on YouTube up in this corner up here somewhere, which is a nice long earwax plug for you as well. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.